Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to create an animation from a single image. AI animation, quick step-by-step tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now we will be using this platform called Runway ML. So to create an account, it is absolutely for free and it will turn any image that you have into a video or an animation. So let's generate us a quick animation over here in Leonardo. Maybe drag it. Generate. Now this is currently in 3D animation style. So the output that we will have is some sort of an animation. So simply wait for a few seconds. And after this, simply download the image that you have and drag and drop it over here in this image description over here. So let's simply give it a few seconds to wait. There we go. And let's see the output that we will be able to get. We have some sort of dragons over here. So let's download this one. And let's go over here. Drag and drop it into our little area over here. And it will upload our image. And there is a queue in this, by the way. So after this, simply click on generate. And then you're going to be in line or in queue with the image or video generation. So simply give it a few seconds or a few minutes depending on the queue, of course. Click on generate 4 seconds. And as you can see, our video is queued and we're going to wait for it to process as you can see. So give it a few seconds or a few minutes to process this and we'll be right back. And there we go. We have our image over here. So simply give it a play. And there we go. Our image or a single image that we have provided is now animated. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.